Hey, thanks for coming and watching this video. This is Dr. Barry Burns with Top Dog Trading. And today I'm going to share with you how we can look at the stock market here in 2016 and find some potential major swings, lows, and highs into the future. So it's all done. Let me introduce this tool first. It's all done with Fibonacci time extensions. Now, in recent videos, I've talked about Fibonacci retracements and extensions, but those are for price levels, support resistance. They draw horizontal lines. So, in fact, we'll just throw this on here for a second. Okay, so that's what we've looked at before. And if you want to watch those videos, feel free. And they're great videos. It's a great tool. A lot of people use this. So here's what a lot of people don't use. Is the Fibonacci time tools. So let me just give you a quick little example of what this does. So as we go forward, right, now this is not how you really draw it, but I just want to show you the tool, and then I'll show you how to draw it properly. So I drew it from here to here. Now, then what it does, so let's say that, let's say that this was today. It draws these vertical lines in the future, and it's measuring the bottom axis, time. So 123.6, 138.2, 150, 161.8, and so forth. So if we drew the tool on here this day, as the market moves forward, there will be these vertical lines indicating times when we could have major shifts in the market. All right, and basically what I did here was I drew it from this low to that low, and that's what you're doing. It's basically a cycle type of tool. It's not going to catch every cycle high and low. By the way, if you want the indicator that does catch every major cycle or every even minor cycle high and low in the market, I do have that indicator. I'd be happy to share it with you for free. And just send me an email at barry@topdogtrading.com, and I'll send you the information. We do a tutorial with it because I have to teach how to use it. So we get you set up with the indicator and the tutorial, and it's all free. So we do those periodically. Send me an email, I can get that to you. But this one, the Fibonacci extension tool for time, is not going to catch every cycle high and low, but it will catch some pretty major ones, and that's more what it's designed to do. Okay, so now that you get the idea, let me show you how to properly use the tool, properly draw this on your chart. So let's take that off. So because we're measuring cycles essentially, we want to go from major low to major low. All right. Now you'll notice that even with how I drew it, it actually did catch some highs here, and it wasn't too bad. But the more sophisticated way to do it is to measure over larger periods of time. So here we have a couple of lows. By the way, this is not a double bottom. So many people look at this and say that's a double bottom. That is not a double bottom. That does not fit the correct technical analysis definition of double bottom. So again, I've got a video on that that teaches you how professionals look at these price patterns versus amateurs. An amateur would see that as a double bottom. And still a good tradable pattern, but it's not a double bottom, and they have different expectations of where to get in, where to get out, where to take targets. So it's important to know that. So again, you can send me an email, and I'll be happy to send you that video for free as well. Okay, so when you get equal lows like this, the question is, well, which low do I draw these Fibonacci time extensions on, this one or this one? The answer is the second one. And the logic behind that is this is the major one because it's after that the market made its decision to go up. The market did not decide to really go up here. It didn't have a bullish tendency. It was here that it did. So we're going to use that second one. And then here we have the same thing. We've got two lows, and we're going to use the second one because, again, that's the one where the market made the decision to go up. All right, so let's bring down our tool. Fibonacci time extensions, and we just draw it from that low to that low. We use the lowest low. All right, there we go. And so then it draws these levels into the future. Okay, and that's actually where we are right now. So this is a current bar today as I'm recording this is April 28th, and 2016, obviously. So let's see how it did, all right? And give you a realistic expectation here, so no hype. So some Fibonacci aficionados or fans, I think they make a little too much out of it, so they would look at this, and this was an extension, and they would say, oh, look, see, the market hesitated there. Well, no. It didn't really do anything significant at that line. This line didn't really mean anything because you get little hesitations elsewhere too. So let's not read too much into it. Right? Also notice, well, we got a little swing low there, but there was no Fibonacci time extension there. Again, it's not going to catch every single one. And so, and sometimes the lines won't really, they never cause the market to put in a higher low. They're just geometric patterns at which people tend to respond. So here, okay, yeah, we could say the market did definitely pause here for a little bit, but this one is much more significant. And even now, this is, a little bit of a confirmation here. Now, there's no indication as to how far the market will come down or go up when you get a swing high or swing low. The time extensions don't tell you that. They just tell you, okay, it's time to look for a potential shift in the market. So you're going to want to use other tools with this. This is just one tool in your toolbox. It's like a screwdriver. You don't pound nails in with a screwdriver. You'd use a hammer for that. So, but the problem is with a lot of traders is they don't have any kind of timing tool on their chart. So still use your price things, use your support resistance levels, use your trend, use momentum. And in fact, that is one of the keys I would say here is that look at momentum, the strength of the market at these times. So if momentum's still strong when we come into this time zone, well, then I'm not going to expect the market to put in a major swing high or low. All right, but here we had some momentum coming out of the market. In other words, this move, this impulse move here was getting weak. And we've also got, resistance over here. So we look at that. And so you look at, we're coming into a price resistance as well as you can think of these as time resistance. So just like not every price support resistance level stop the market, some do, some don't. It's just one piece of information. Same thing here. Think of this as time resistance. So when price and time come in together, the confluence of price and time, as W.D. Gann talked about, that's the time to take notice. That's the time to take notice. So again, don't use it alone, but use it with your other tools, whatever else you're using right now, or if you need help with that, I can help you with a complete trading methodology as well. All right, so I do have a timing tool that does catch every major high or every swing high and low, every cycle high and low. Be happy to share that with you, and just send me an email at barry@topdogtrading.com, and I'll let you know when we're doing our next event where I teach that. Also, if you like this video and you're watching it on YouTube, hey, please click the thumbs up icon below and leave me a comment. I really love hearing from people, and that encourages me to keep doing these free videos for you, which I really enjoy. Also, I'm giving away one of my favorite trade strategies called the rubber band trade that has a very, very high win-loss ratio. And again, I'll be happy to share that video with you absolutely free. It's a simple strategy. The video is only about 26 minutes, and it gives you all the rules and explains the whole thing. Take it, hopefully make some money with it, and my gift to you. So you get that video by simply clicking on the image in the top left corner, or if you're on a mobile device, just click that little eye with a circle around it in the top right corner of this video. And once you do that, I'll personally email the video to you.